back. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. It's Cook and Inspire back in the kitchen again with Chef Garnet. And I'm telling you, man, today what I'll be doing, ackee and saltfish. Yeah, so we're gonna do some ackee and saltfish Jamaican style. You know, say Jamaica we represent already. So we have to do the Jamaican national dish. Yes. Actually, you know, I should have my Jamaican shirt and I do this dish, you know, because this dish is such a delicacy in Jamaica. Ackee and saltfish is a normal thing, better. We have to have it. There are people who does ackee and saltfish different ways, but I'm going to do it Chef Garnet way today. You know, and there are many people been requesting this dish from a very long time. So I'm big up Warren Francis. Yeah man, you've been requesting this dish for a long time, ackee and saltfish, and today I'm going to do it, brother. I hope I do it justice, and when you cook it, just send me a picture and let me see what it looks like. Yeah? So basically, I've got my ackee already. You know, in Britain we don't have ackee tree. We can climb ackee tree like Jamaica. You know, have to use thin ackee. And over here we got our saltfish. I've chosen to use boneless saltfish. You know, you can choose whatever saltfish you wanted to use, or cod. Before we go anywhere, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and leave a comment also in the comment section what you want me to cook, and I'll go straight ahead and do that. Yeah, because you know, say I love to cook, and all of my supporters, my fans, my families in different culture. This is ackee. You know, this is what we eat in Jamaica. It's a fruit. We're gonna go straight into it right now. I've got my saltfish. If you come over here, let's see what's happening. Put my ackee aside. So you need a pot first of all to boil off your saltfish. So first we're gonna wash off all that excess salt in some fresh water. Wash off those salt because it's very salty. You don't want to boil. You want to wash it, make it become fresh, because you need a bit of salt in there to give that flavor. I choose to use 2 packs of saltfish. So what I do, I'll fill my pot, cover my fish with water, and then just follow me over here. Put it on the flame. Let's let that up. Put it up until high. Let that boil for around 10 minutes. To boil off the excess salt. Here we are again. You have seen we put our saltfish to boil. Our ackee is over here. So what I've done, I've opened it and I've washed it off with some fresh water. Leave it to drain, get all of the excess water out of the ackee. Yeah, so I'll leave that there right now. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to come over here and prepare some ground seasoning, which is my scallion, which is spring onion. So I'm just gonna go right ahead and cut these up. We're gonna have some fresh garlic. I'm using around 5 cloves of garlic. And what we normally do when we're doing an ackee, I like to burn a bit of the, not burn it too much, just a bit of the garlic and the scallion before in the oil. I like to give it a little flavor in there, so I'll be using some white onion. Yes, I want to chop it too fine. I just want to give them that nice little strip. I'll be using some sweet pepper, which is bell pepper. You don't want to overdo it with too much pepper, with too much bell pepper, because you don't want to take away that flavor from the ackee. You tell me, people, I don't like to put thyme in my ackee. You know, I don't like putting thyme in my ackee You know, some people do, but for now I'm going to put some fresh thyme in there also, so I'll leave that there. Leave a comment and tell me what you think. Do you put thyme in your ackee? So here we have some scotch bonnet pepper. Let's chop that up. I think I need a bit more red pepper. And that. So here we have our saltfish, which we already boiled. You know, just give it around, just boil it around 2 times. Just call it off. But you have good boil first time. Let's call it off. Second time, then rinse it off. You know, just rinse it off. Third time, so that's it. All our salt already boiled out of our saltfish. So what I will be doing now, I'll be picking up the cod into this bowl. You know, just pick it up, small pieces. You know, just like that. Just like that. I choose to use boneless saltfish. It's a bit easier for me. Save me picking out all those bones from the fish itself. So I use the boneless one. So I light my stove. Put it on medium heat. What we started to doing. So this is my favorite thing. You know, our Grace virgin coconut oil. It worked magic, I'm telling you. It's very good. It's 100% Jamaican and coconut. Yes, all natural. Yeah. So I've put just a little bit in there because I can't get it over here. Just use a little bit to flavor my pot. So let that oil heat up for a bit. So I'll add a bit of olive oil in there as well. I can smell that coconut oil. Oh my god, that is just pure goodness. Okay, so what I'll be doing, I'll be just putting just a little bit, bring the flame down, a little bit of garlic in there in your oil, a bit of spring onion, you know, just to flavor that. Smell that. Here we have some pimento berries. I'm just gonna crack these a bit. Just crack these a bit. We're gonna go in with our bell pepper, our onions, our garlic, our spring onion, our pimento berries, our scotch bonnet pepper, our seasons already sauteed up, our bell pepper. So what we'll be doing, we'll be going in with our saltfish. Let's give it a little mix. Get all those colors incorporated in it. So what I'll be doing, I'll be going with my fresh thyme. Yes, I don't like to use thyme in my ackee, but I'll do it this time. So you can tell me in the comment, do you use thyme in your ackee? Is it okay to use thyme in your ackee? Let's let that saute down for around another minute before we put in our ackee. And you're going to be careful when you do your ackee, because what will happen is you don't want it to get much, because it is not like the one you get back home. It's pretty much cooked already. So you have to be gentle with this one when you put it in the pot, not to get it, mix it too much. It become too mushy. Right, so here we are again. I don't want to put any salt in there. All you need is just a bit of coarse black pepper. I don't know how spicy it is yet, but that pepper seems to be a bit. Right. So here we are now. We're gonna go in with our ackee. So you can catch that, camera lady. Look at that. that buttery texture. And let's put this aside. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna be careful how you mix that in. You don't want it to, you want to be gentle with that one. Bring your flame down to medium. You know, just want to tease it up. If you mix it, it's gonna become mushy, and you don't want that. Look at that. Let's put a bit more pepper over that. I love to use Maggi, so I sprinkle a bit of Maggi over it. You don't need to still, because what happens is, you see that coconut oil, it really flavors up that. So what you do, mix that in. That's what I'll do. I'll cover it up, let that stay there for around 5 minutes, and it should be done. So yes, so that's it. So here we have it now, our ackee and saltfish. Yeah, so here we have ackee and saltfish, well garnished. We have served it with some fried dumpling. We got avocado there, and some cherry tomatoes. You know, cook and inspire. Here to cook and to inspire you. Yeah, so you know, don't forget to share, leave a like and a comment, and subscribe also. Yeah, so here we have it, ackee and saltfish. Cook and inspire, Chef Garnet. We were in the kitchen, and now we're out the kitchen. You know, look at it, how lovely that is. You know, so now we're gonna dig in. We're gonna have a feast and see what's gonna take place. See what the taste is gonna say about my breakfast. Breakfast done cook. I just somebody pray.
Don't forget to like, comment, share,
and subscribe. And hit the notification bell. And shop.
And then just Chef Garnet in and out the kitchen. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon. Wherever in the country you are. It's well. Where the world.